Alright, we're going to do a smoke stuffed cornbread. We're going to use this 8 pounds pork butt. For the rub, we've got a 1/4 cup brown sugar. We've got a 1/2 cup of white sugar. We've got a 1/2 cup of paprika, a 1/3 cup of garlic, a 1/3 cup of salt, a tablespoon of chili, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Mustard, I'm using honey mustard here, and some oil. I'm going to rub it down with our rub we just prepared. And we're going to set the smoker up to 280. Check it every couple of hours. So we're looking for an internal temp of 145 or until it pulls off, like typical pulled pork. You see here I've got my laser pointed with my laser temperature gauge. It's not really optimal for meat, so we're gonna probe it and check it. We're at about 93. We're almost halfway there after 2 hours, so we're gonna check it again here in an hour. It actually ended up being ready after about 3.5, 4 hours. So we've got it pulled off here. Let's pull it apart, see what happens. See what happens. Well, we know what's going to happen. Gonna have a ton of pork here. I think we ended up with about 4 to 5 pounds of total pulled pork off of this thing. It is a bone-in. We're gonna get the cornbread ready here. I'm gonna do 2 types. I'm gonna do one spicy and one not spicy. So the one that is spicy is gonna have minced green onions, and it's also going to have 3 serranos or your pepper of choice, and you're going to unseed it and grill it, and you're also going to have 3 jalapenos. You're going to grill these as well, and we're going to take them off and dice them up. Once we do get done once we do get done with slicing them up and de-seeding the serranos, we're gonna grill them and then dice them up, put them into the hot mix. This is gonna be for the non-hot mix, little Dave's, famous Dave's cornbread mix. Seems to be crowd pleaser. It is a little bit sweeter, so it's actually turned out pretty well. And you're going to throw in your pulled pork and your minced green onions for the non-hot. And you're going to heavily coat the pan with grease or butter to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. And then we're going to throw the hot version in some cupcake pans here. Set the oven to 400 and throw them in for about 15 to 20 minutes. They turned out actually really good. We threw some extra cheese on top, give it a nice little coat, and it's delicious. Even the dog likes it.